Hello everyone, welcome to the best product review channel on YouTube. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we analyze hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guide and check out the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, without any delay, let's get started.
In this video we break down the top 5 best yoga book you can buy right now. We made this list based on performance, features of the product, value for money, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best yoga book on the market this year. Before we start, I have a question for you guys. Which best yoga book are you currently using, and which one you recommend? Let me know in the comment. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Yoga for Everyone. Diane Bindi, author and yogi, sets out in Yoga for Everyone to celebrate what everyone and everybody can do, regardless of age, weight, or physical abilities. People who frequently feel excluded from the yoga or fitness communities will find this book a breath of fresh air. Each pose photo includes additional photos of various modifications so you can figure out what works best for you. Our second best yoga book is the Yoga Bible. The Yoga Bible is a well-known yoga book for both beginners and advanced practitioners. Over 170 asanas are described in detail to help you find the best yoga sequence for your needs. It includes exercises for all skill levels, clear guidance lines to help you improve your practice, and technical descriptions of each pose. This will teach you how to recreate the pose with the build-up, counter poses, and how to lighten the pose without spending a fortune on yoga classes. This yoga book has received numerous positive reviews and has been described as an excellent, highly informative, and easy read. And, because of its small size, it's ideal for traveling and practicing away from home. Number 3 in our list is Yoga Mama. Pregnancy presents many physical and mental challenges, and Yoga Mama was created with a blend of yogic wisdom and modern knowledge to prepare you for this incredible journey. This guide, aimed more at experienced yoga practitioners, will assist you in continuing your practice while providing modifications. Pregnancy should not be viewed as a roadblock to your practice, but rather as an obstacle or challenge that you can overcome. With advice from holistic and Ayurvedic medicines to help women answer questions about their bodies and minds changing. With her compassionate and encouraging writing, this book will make you feel as if Linda Sparrow is right beside you, supporting you along the way. Fourth recommendation in our side is 2,100 asanas. Yoga has over 2,100 different poses. This is due to the fact that there are so many different forms and traditions that have evolved over time. Daniel Lacerda has created this lovely yoga book with a wide range of yoga poses for all levels. This book will assist you in creating your ideal routine and is one of the best, complete, modern asana manuals available. It has many variations of each pose to ensure that you complete the entire pose slowly to avoid injury. When learning yoga in a group class, it is common to feel lost. However, this yoga book will allow you to progress at your own pace by selecting poses that are best suited to your body and routine. It includes not only all of the yoga poses, but also sections on yoga philosophy to help you understand the principles behind your practice. Last in our top 5 best yoga book list is The Heart of Yoga. This book, written by the world's oldest and wisest yogis, truly takes you to the heart of yoga. TKV Desikachar's teaching methods have an element of compassion, gentleness, and inspiration to them, making you feel at ease while also pushing you to improve. This yoga should be tailored to the individual's needs rather than the other way around. Everyone should benefit from yoga. TKV Desikachar's ideas have influenced many modern yoga teachers, who use his book to guide their classes. As a result, I consider this a must-have yoga book for deepening your practice and feeling more connected to your mind and body.